What's going on, YouTube? In this tutorial, I just want to show you how you can use data validation to make sure that only a specific length of text or numbers is typed in the cell. So we have an example where let's just say you're collecting zip codes for people, and if someone types in something that's not 5 digits long, it's not going to be a valid zip code, and it will break something further down the line. So if we type in, for example, 5555555, that's more than 5. You get this error message. Please enter 5 digit zip code. They can use continue, yes, no, cancel, help. So if I type in 1 2 3 4 5 5 ones, it works. So to do this, I'm going to go to a new page, zip code right here. So first you want to hide the range you want to apply the conditional formatting to. We just say it's these cells below. Now to actually apply the conditional formatting, we're going to want to go to the data tab, and you're going to want to go to the data validation option, where you're going to then want to click data validation. And here under settings, you're going to allow not any value, but text length. Text length not between, but equal to, let's just say 5. Now, if you click OK, you will have these data validation settings apply. But there's some options that I think are very helpful in making it easier for the user to use this data. So, for example, you can have an input message. Please enter 5 digit zip code. And what the input message does is it makes sure that whenever someone highlights over the cells, that they will get a message that says, hey, enter a 5 digit zip code. Now, you can also have an error alert. And, with the input message, you can have the input message shown or not shown with the cell selected. And the error alert shows if someone enters invalid data or they try to. Now, you can have a stop, a warning, and an information error message. One thing to note is that not only do these vary in style, but they vary in what the users do. So if you type it, if you have a stop, it will make it to where that the users can't enter any sort of invalid data. It just won't work. If you type in the warning, you will get a message that says, like you've seen, hey, are you sure you want to continue? But if you click yes, you can enter invalid data. The information just lets you know it's not valid, but you can still enter it without any problems. So we're going to get this right here. Please enter 5 digit zip code. Please enter 5 digit zip code. To kind of show you what it looks like. So now we're having the cells. We can see a message for the title in the box. Please enter 5 digit zip code. And if we type in, let's just say 1, for example, we get a red X that says please enter 5 digit zip code. Applying this same range though, let's just say we have the warnings instead to kind of show what that looks like. Type in a 1. Please enter 5 digit zip code. Continue. You can choose yes or no. And then if you click yes, you can enter the invalid data. But at least you get a warning. If you want to continue with invalid data or not, you can click no. Now you can highlight this range again, and going back to the conditional formatting, you can, so I changed range, so going back to text length equal to 5, and looking at the error message for information, enter 5. Now, one thing though too, if you want to reapply conditional formatting and you select a range that's not equal to what you originally had applied, like what I did, that can erase the conditional formatting. But clicking OK, now if you type in a 1 that's not valid, we can still enter the data, and it says, hey, please enter 5 digit zip code. But as you can see, I'm entering this data no problem. As I hope you found this tutorial to be helpful. And if you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. You have a great day.